We'll go for an unpowered test glide. Oh, that didn't look too bad. Well, we'll give it a try with some power, see what happens. Well, I've given it a few test flights and I really do need to cut that propeller tube back off again and adjust the angle, because we clearly have got some up thrust there and I've had to put an awful lot of weight on it to counteract that. So I need to cut that off and adjust the angle. I'll do another test flight just to demonstrate what we're doing, because I'm actually quite surprised it is flying at all. So that's quite good. But I'll go down there and point it in this direction and see if we can come towards the camera. Well, that was a nice flight. Probably misleading because it was actually climbing into a stall just past the camera, but not bad for a first effort. I do need to change that thrust line though. That's really not helping, having to counteract it with so much weight. Well, that was alright. Summary time. Well, it more or less flies. It does need more work. But we'll just go through what we made it from. A couple of coffee stirrers. Put into a T shape to give it extra rigidity. The wings, tail and fin are all made from styrofoam plates. The propeller is made from a cotton bud for the main section there and a pop bottle cut into propeller shapes. That's a cotton bud tube there, piece of wire, little glass bead there to give us a thrust bearing, a little bit of bent paper clip at the end there for the tail, for the back of the rubber band to hook onto. 60mm, 20mm, and what did I say, 150 I think, something like that. And the biggest mistake I've made there is I didn't trim this wood properly and we've got up thrust rather than down thrust, and that is causing a problem trying to trim it, so I've had to put lots of weight on there just to keep it down a bit. So more work required to make it fly well.